In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add connectors detached from shapes in Draw.io. If you've ever tried to place a connector line on your diagram and noticed that it automatically snaps to a shape, this quick technique will help you keep that connector independent. This is especially useful when you want to point something out visually, create a loose directional arrow, or place a connector on the canvas without linking it to any object. Inside the editor, start by looking over to the left panel. This is where you'll find the available shapes and line options. From there, select the connector line you want to use. You can choose the style that best fits your diagram, then drag it directly onto your canvas and place it where you want it to appear. Once the connector is on the canvas, the important part is how you resize or reposition it. Normally, when you drag one end of a connector close to a shape, Draw.io will try to snap that end into place and attach it automatically. That behavior is helpful in many cases, but not when you want the connector to stay detached. To prevent that from happening, begin dragging the end of the arrow first. While you are dragging, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. Keeping Alt held down tells Draw.io not to snap or connect that endpoint to a nearby shape, even if your cursor is pointing right at it. This lets you position the connector exactly where you want, with complete control over its placement. After you've placed the end of the connector in the right spot, release your mouse. You can then let go of the Alt key as well. At that point, your connector will remain detached instead of being linked to the shape. That's really all there is to it. It's a very simple trick, but it makes a big difference when you need more flexibility in your diagrams. If a connector keeps attaching when you don't want it to, just remember this sequence. Drag first, hold Alt while positioning, and then release the mouse to place it. Using this method can help you create cleaner annotations, custom callouts, or arrows that guide attention without becoming part of the diagram structure. Once you get used to it, it becomes a fast and natural part of working in Draw.io, and that's how to add connectors detached from shapes in Draw.io.